Podcast script for episode 64: How Legal Services Authorities Help in Pre-Litigation Cases Involving Government Schemes. Welcome to DNTV Hyderabad's daily podcast series, Legal Issues Resolution and Legal Services Authority. I am Bhardwaj, your host, bringing you episode 64: How Legal Services Authorities Help in Pre-Litigation Cases Involving Government Schemes. In today's episode, we will discuss how legal services authorities play a vital role in resolving disputes related to government welfare schemes at the pre-litigation stage. Government schemes aim to uplift vulnerable populations, but issues can arise that delay or deny rightful benefits. By addressing these concerns early, legal services authorities (LSAs) ensure timely justice, preventing the need for long drawn out legal battles. Stay with us, we explore how LSAs can assist you in resolving issues before they escalate into legal cases. Section 1: What is pre-litigation? Before we dive into the role of legal services authorities, let's first understand what pre-litigation means. Pre-litigation refers to the actions taken to resolve a dispute before it reaches the courtroom. It involves resolving issues through mediation, negotiation, or legal assistance without filing a formal lawsuit. When it comes to government welfare schemes, disputes may arise due to delays, procedural issues, or ineligibility claims. In such cases, addressing the issue early can save time, money, and effort, preventing the need for litigation. Legal services authorities provide crucial support at this stage to ensure that problems are solved quickly and fairly. Section 2: The role of legal services authorities in pre-litigation cases. Legal services authorities, including district legal services authorities (DLSAs), Taluka Legal Services Committees (TLSCs), and state legal services authorities (LSAs), play an essential role in resolving disputes before they escalate to the court level. Their primary goal is to provide alternative dispute resolution and offer legal aid to help individuals resolve their issues. Here's how they assist. Number 1: Mediation and negotiation. Mediation is a common pre-litigation approach. Legal services authorities arrange mediation sessions between the beneficiaries and the government departments involved. The aim is to find an amicable solution that satisfies both parties without the need for legal action. Number 2: Legal advice and counseling. LSAs provide legal counseling to individuals facing difficulties with government welfare schemes. They help beneficiaries understand their rights, identify the steps to take, and guide them on the best course of action. Number 3: Filing grievances and complaints. In pre-litigation cases, LSAs assist individuals in filing complaints or grievances with the concerned authorities, ensuring that issue is addressed promptly. This helps beneficiaries avoid delays that could result from administrative errors or negligence. Number 4: Support in documentation. Often disputes arise due to missing or incorrect documentation. LSAs support individuals in ensuring that all necessary paperwork is properly submitted, reducing the chances of rejection or unnecessary delays. Number 5: Access to free legal aid. LSAs provide free legal aid at the pre-litigation stage, ensuring that even individuals who cannot afford legal services have access to expert guidance. Section 3: Common pre-litigation issues with government schemes. Government schemes are intended to benefit vulnerable sections of society, but there are common issues that can arise. Some of these pre-litigation concerns include: Number 1: Delayed processing of benefits. Beneficiaries may face delays in receiving their entitlements due to administrative inefficiencies. Legal services authorities help expedite the process by addressing these delays through proper channels. Number 2: Ineligibility claims. Individuals may be mistakenly declared ineligible for benefits under the government schemes. LSAs ensure that the eligibility criteria are correctly applied and help beneficiaries appeal any wrongful rejection. Number 3: Misinformation or lack of clarity. Sometimes individuals are misinformed about the process, leading to confusion or missed opportunities to claim benefits. LSAs provide clarity and guide beneficiaries through the correct procedures. Number 4. Disputes over beneficiary status. Issues may arise when there are discrepancies in the beneficiary's details or status, such as mismatched data or missing documents. Legal services authorities assist in resolving such discrepancies early on. By addressing these issues early, legal services authorities help prevent further complications that could otherwise lead to litigation. Section 4. Benefits of early legal intervention. The advantages of addressing disputes at the pre-litigation stage are numerous. Number 1. Time and cost saving. Resolving disputes without going to court saves both time and money. Mediation and legal aid at the pre-litigation stage are typically faster and more affordable than formal litigation. Number 2. Efficient resolution. Pre-litigation assistance ensures that issues are addressed before they escalate, leading to a faster resolution. By working directly with the concerned authorities, LSAs facilitate the resolution process. Number 3. Preserving relationships. Mediation allows both parties to reach a mutually agreeable solution, preserving relationships between beneficiaries and government departments. This is crucial for maintaining trust in public services. Number 4. Access to legal aid. Early intervention ensures that individuals who may not afford legal representation receive the support they need, leveling the playing field for everyone regardless of their financial status. Section 5. Real life impact stories. Story 1. A family in a rural area faced delays in receiving benefits under a housing scheme. After approaching the District Legal Services Authority DLSA for help, the team conducted a mediation session with the concerned department. The issue was resolved quickly and family received their housing grant in a matter of weeks. Story 2. A woman seeking financial assistance under a health insurance scheme was mistakenly marked ineligible due to a documentation error. With the help of the Taluka Legal Services Committee TLSC, she was able to clarify her eligibility and correct the paperwork, securing her benefits without further delay. These stories highlight the critical role legal services authorities play in resolving issues before they lead to litigation. Section 6. How you can benefit from pre-litigation assistance. If you are facing issues with government welfare schemes, here's how you can benefit from pre-litigation assistance through Legal Services Authority. Number 1. Approach the nearest Legal Services Authority. Reach out to your local DLSA or TLSC for guidance on how to address your concerns with the concerned government department. Number 2. Request mediation services. Ask for a mediation session to resolve the dispute without the need for legal action. LSAs offer a neutral platform to help both parties find a mutually agreeable solution. Number 3. Seek legal advice. If you are unsure about your rights or the process, LSA provide free legal counseling to help you navigate your case and understand your options. Number 4. Access legal aid. If needed, LSAs will help you access free legal representation to ensure that your rights are protected and you receive the benefits you are entitled to. Conclusion. In today's episode, we have explored how legal services authorities help resolve disputes related to government welfare schemes at the pre-litigation stage by offering mediation, legal counseling, and free legal aid. LSAs ensure that beneficiaries can address issues promptly, saving time, cost, and potential legal complications. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this episode helpful, share it with your friends, family, or community members who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for the next episode, and remember, legal services authorities are here to ensure that justice is accessible to all. Call to action. If you are facing issues with a government welfare scheme, reach out to your nearest legal services authority today for pre-litigation support. Share this episode to help others understand how long legal services authorities can assist with resolving issues before they escalate. Follow DNTV Hyderabad for more valuable insights into legal support and services. Key message: by addressing issues at the pre-litigation stage, legal services authorities ensure that justice is delivered quickly, efficiently, and without the burden of costly legal battles.